Go, Jake, you got it.
I think it's pretty great. You got a great view out here.
I mean, look at this.
Amazing. Should be spectacular. What is up, guys? Today we are right now we just got back from our hike, and now we are gonna play some cards, and I'm going to get plastic forks for spoons. I know it's not the right utensil, but it's gonna have to do. So far we only have the 4 of us playing. Hopefully we get some more people. But, good. I don't have my room key. Well, I'm gonna go back this way now. This is Griffin's GoPro, by the way. So yeah, hit the subscribe button below. Yeah, it's been a pretty solid time.